Charlie Grace Works. That guy. Oh, fuck.
You gotta get his head?
Yeah, I can't tell.
Yep, park.
Get the fuck on the ground!
Just pointed at that guy. Get on the fucking ground!
Get on the ground!
Lay down!
Al suelo! 212, one again. One in his hand. So I just cover code 3.
He's pointing it.
That guy. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I can't tell.
Yep, park.
Get the fuck on the ground!
Get on the fucking ground!
Get on the ground!
Lay down!
Al suelo! 212, one at gunpoint. He's got a gun in his hand. So I just cover code 3. .212 shots fired. That guy. Oh, fuck.
You gotta get his head?
Yeah, I can't tell.
Yep, park.
Get the fuck on the ground!
He just pointed at that guy. Get on the fucking ground!
Ground!
Lay down!
Al suelo! 212, one again.
He's pointing it. Shots fired. Push up. He's dropped it.
I mean, you clear up the head now.
Shots fired. Suspect down. Roll over on your stomach away from the gun. Coming to you. Empty hands. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Hold what you got. Don't fucking move. You good?
Yeah.
Location.
11012. 11012, Joaquin.
What are you doing? Get the fuck back!
I think he's get hit once. Maybe twice. Get your scissors out. Cut his hoodie off. All the way up, straight up his shoulder. I got 1 inch on the back. See if you can find one. We're good. Suspect's down. Doing first aid. He's in cuffs. See if we can find anything on the front. What's your name, buddy?